Today, we're tackling a question I get asked all the time. What does Uphold do with its reserves? It's a crucial question for anyone using a platform like Uphold, and the answer is surprisingly complex and really important for your peace of mind. So, let's break it down. When you deposit money or crypto onto Uphold, it's not just sitting in a vault. Uphold's business model is built on providing liquidity and facilitating instant transactions across different asset classes. Think moving from Bitcoin to gold to US dollars in a single click. To make this happen, they have to maintain a carefully managed pool of assets. Think of it like a massive digital exchange. Uphold's reserves are the assets they hold on behalf of their users. Their primary function is to ensure that when you want to sell an asset, the funds are available instantly. This isn't like a traditional bank that might lend out a huge percentage of your deposits. Uphold's model is different. Uphold's reserves are used for three main things. First, and most importantly, they are used to back user holdings. Uphold's proof of reserves system means they publicly report on their holdings to show that the assets they hold in reserve are equal to or greater than the assets users have on the platform. This is a key part of their transparency and a huge deal in the crypto space. They can't just lend out your Bitcoin and hope for the best. Second, they are used to facilitate those lightning-fast conversions. When you swap from, say, Ethereum to Euro, Uphold doesn't have to go out and buy euros on a different exchange. They use their own reserve pool to complete the transaction instantly, acting as a market maker for their own users. And third, a portion of the reserves are held in highly liquid, secure assets to maintain operational stability and cover day-to-day transaction volume. This isn't a high-yield investment strategy, it's a safety and liquidity measure. So, what you need to take away is this: Uphold doesn't gamble with your money. Their reserves are a tool to provide liquidity, transparency, and instant transactions. They are an essential part of the platform's engine, ensuring that your assets are available when you need them and that the system can handle the constant flow of conversions.